Welcome everyone to the advisory ecosystem. The topic, so important, so exciting. Obviously, we've got a lot of demand on this, which is accelerating value realization. To lead us in this conversation is somebody eminently qualified, a good friend, somebody I've worked with for 15 years, Eric Ranta. So Eric leads the North America Cloud Advisor practice for Google Cloud, has a rich history in value and value programs.
One of the things that I really struggled with was, how do you actually go and get insight from what others are doing? How does all this come together? And so this kind of forum is exactly what I want to participate in, but I also, because it's so important to me and it's such a passion that I have, is making sure that I can play a little bit larger role in helping steward it going forward.
I think as, say, the office of the CFO, right, as they get more and more involved in digital transformation and having an active role in that, the conversations we're having with other CXO level personas are very different than maybe we have with other, say, VP or director level stakeholders. I see our next level of maturity is really being able to, hey, how do we evolve from the science of value realization to more strategic, business-driven outcomes, right, that you can carry across multiple areas of the organization?
It really is about going from value engineering, assessing the value, to moving into customer success where we realize the value for the customer. And the stronger the linkage there, the better, from technical outcomes to business outcomes.
We have a lot of pockets of different groups in our organization. So our big opportunity this year is going to be to do what Doug said has been successful for them at Splunk, which is to get all of those stakeholders aligned, all speaking the same language, all looking at the client base as a shared group that we can go after and drive value realization.
Fantastic session today. Thank you. We're going to get together every so often. And essentially what we want to be able to do is have the kind of the vibrancy of this group that we've had in the hour here continue on going forward.
I want to thank everybody. We had 41 different companies and actually, by my count, 15 different examples, each participants kind of sharing with the larger groups. And I just want to end by thanking Eric and the Google team for kind of sharing their journey and where they're at, and wish everybody in the community a great day, and we'll get after it. Thanks all.